Hey YouTube, Spider G back here. I just got done sharpening the Civivi Altas Nitro V. It was about a 45-minute video. It was a full sharpening. I didn't want to put up something that long. I'll try to get the, you can see my hands are dirty. Please apologize. Forgive me for that. That's just what happens when you sharpen. But the way I do it is I like to focus and chill and relax. So it did come out to almost an hour-long video. I don't know if you guys would like to see a full sharpening like I've done before. But now that I got the quick releases and everything goes good. But I'm going to continue to practice on getting faster and not spending so much time on some stones. I just got to get better at my pressure. I got put down and I'm good with my angles. It's just I get a little picky and want the bevels to be like perfect, and you know my line here, or I'm going down here, is the bevel straight all the way down. And in the burr minimalization, I do lots of rotating passes till that thing just flips over and over and over until it's really fatigued, and then I'll do a swipe down and basically rip that off. And then I'll keep doing that over and over, and then I will take it to the strops. But again, I do want to pick up a heavy micron stroppy stuff. Probably gonna try to go for that 9, because I like to use the stones. I like to be able to cut right off the stones, but I know it would just be a working edge, and then this would fine tune it. But yeah. Nothing on that edge, feels good. Let's go to a 0.5. Let's go down one. That was a 1, this is a 0.5. See if we can't fine tune it. Oh yeah, that is. Sometimes you just really get like this was almost an hour-long video before, and I really just focus. I like to focus. It's just very therapeutic to me. And then when it, so if it comes out, it comes out. But this came out really good. This Nitro V. I really like the sharpen Nitro V. I like the sharpen 9CR, Nitro V. Just my budget stills, those are what I like. The Nitro V 14C, 9CR is okay. 154 is okay at a low grit, but you got certain steels that you do like to it's got a good working edge on that. Let's drop a little more, that'd be good. But what I want to do right now, yeah, 8 minutes. I'm going to quickly take this apart, clean it. Let me see how fast I can get this plunge lock clean, or this Altas clean. T8 screws, gotta love it. Thank you, Civivi. Except for pocket clip, that's okay though. Just gotta be careful. Brand new T6. I just need to take off the. Okay, so this is body. Alright. Okay. Okay. Alright. Let's go ahead and clean this thing. Ooh. Got a little poke there. That's okay. Just barely touch me. Okay. So the spring, plunge, pivot, bearings stay right here with me. Everything's gonna be out of play as far as sharp nor chipping it. Alright, so let's go ahead and clean this. It's such a. I was never gonna post this one for sale. I really like this knife a lot. It's one of the most sturdiest button locks you could get. Like I've come across the Cubit, the Elementum 2, the Altas. There's some other ones too. I forget. CGRB is pretty good at theirs. Kaiser could be hit and miss. And unfortunately on the plunge lock in the early days there was a lot of misses. But now all the plunge locks, they seem to be doing a lot better with them. And then there's some that were done right at the very beginning. So I'm glad I got a couple of those. I do have a couple of really bad ones. In particular, Towser, mini Towser K button lock. That is one of the most upsetting things. And I'll just leave it right there. Because if I say something, it'll just piss me off. Because I'll start to think about it. And I'll start to think, he knew. After I watched the video. But he don't want no smoke with me. So I'll just let it slide. So let's clean this up. Let's get a lot of this clear. Let's go ahead. We did lubricate that other bearing. I like to cut out the beauty on the inside. And okay, so we have a plunge lock here that we could take the stop pin out of and be able to easily put this plunge lock back in. But remember, we want to clean with alcohol 91 the plunge button here. Just try to get this. Make sure you get all the lubrication off of your fingers. And then I also clean the stop pin. Okay. So that being said, everything's good. Everything's lubricated. Throw a little juice right there. A little juice there. Alright. We're gonna go ahead, put the button in. We're gonna lift this up. Okay, so we want to go ahead and put the button in like we did before with the cubit, and then kind of push it in there, bring up the plunge lock a little bit, and then position it to where it's right there, and then you could slide your stop pin in, and then you're ready to put together. I usually put the stop pin in first, but if you have trouble getting in there, then do it without it, but it's just as easy for me. Okay, now we'll go ahead and put this together. Line it up, line it up with the spring. All right. There we go. The button is working, it's fully seated. Let's go ahead and put this together. Just keep everything together. Grab this body screw. Let's go ahead and make this the snug pocket clip screw. Just use 6. Make it snug. Nice deep carry clip. And I could, where is my, here we go. Okay. Let's go ahead, wipe this down. Yeah. Okay, got a little bit of clip, so let's button this up. There we go. Dead centered. Just backed it off a little bit, and there we go. We are good to go. Now, there we go. All right. Get the blade. Careful. This is fully clean, fully sharp, ready to go. Buffed out any scratches that might be. All the hardware, all the buttons, everything is shining up. And now it looks great. I got a little bit of residue from, but yeah, it's a great knife. Red G10. Not usually a fan, but I like this sort of blood color here, or burgundy or something. But it's really controlled, dead centered, very sharp. And yeah, that'll do it. I didn't want to make it a crazy long video because I just did a really long, hour-long sharpening. But it did produce good results. I did destroy the edge at the beginning, so I did take it from extremely dull to extremely sharp, and then also cleaned it out to make it all good to go. So anyway, so that'll do it for that one. That one was the Civivi Altas sharpening results, disassembly maintenance of the Civivi Altas. If you found this interesting, please give me a like, sub, comment. Be safe, have fun. I'll catch you on the next one. Peace out.